left in awe when they started practicing kanina. Sabi nila, kulang daw ang time sa practice. Inisip ko, paano kaya kung tama yung kanilang time sa pag-practice? And to imagine all of them are all public servants and they also have their 8 to 5 jobs to do, and they gave us their time to practice also to perform in front of all of us. They're exhibiting their wonderful voices.
Did you guys enjoy? Yes. Okay, you know, I am so excited to introduce to you our next performer, right?
Of course, ako medyo na-starstruck na ako.
Okay, alam mo, side kwento, like, I was able to watch Showtime, It's Live before, and ang favorite segment ko doon ay yung Stars on 45. Does anyone watch that segment?
Yes.
Yes, diba? And if you're familiar of Season 1, we are very lucky to have with us today the grand champion of Season 1 on the Stars on 45 of It's Showtime. So just a little background. The lady we have today, she's a woman of strength, determination. If you watch the Lenten episode of It's Showtime, they even featured her life story. And grabe, hangang-hanga talaga ako sa performer natin today.
Or sino ba naman hindi hahanga sa pinanggalingan at pinagdaanan ng babaeng ito.
Very humble beginnings.
So wag na natin, let's not keep them at the suspense. So let us introduce the first ever grand champion of Stars on 45 of ABS-CBN. Let's all welcome
Miss Heidi Manyaska!
Sa iyong kapaligiran, kay dumita ng hangin, pati na ang mga ibon natin. Hindi nga masama ang pag-unlad at malayo-layo na rin ang ating narating. Ngunit masarang mo ang tubig sa dagat, dati kulay asul, ngayon'y naging itim. Ang mga tuwing ikinalat sa hangin, sa langit huwag na natin paabutin. Upang kung tayo'y pumanaw man sa sariwang hangin, sa langit huwag na natin paabutin. Mayroon lang akong hinihiling sa aking pagpanaw, sana ay tag-ulan. Gitara ko ay aking dadalhin upang sa ulap na lang tayo magkantahan. May hangin pa kaya'y matitikman, may mga puno pa kayang sila aakyatin, may mga ilog pa kayang lalawian. Bakit di natin pag-isipan ang nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran? Hindi nga masama ang wala nang madarapuan. Masdan mo ang mga punong dati ay kay katat, ngayon namamatay dahil sa kalukuhan. Lahat ng bagay na narito sa lupa, biyayang galing sa Diyos, kahit ika'y wala pa. Ingatan natin at huwag nang silaing pa, at kapag kanyang binawi tayo'y mawawala na. Mayroon lang akong hinihiling sa aking pagpanaw, sana ay matulungan. Gitara ko ay aking dadalhin upang sa tulad na lang tayo magkantahan.
Diba? Sabi namin sa inyo, star-studded ang aming lineup ngayon. And of course, the stars doesn't stop there. But before we move forward, let us thank muna yung conductor kanina ng DLG Central Chorale, si
Mr. Rafi Balagot.
Yes, Sir Rafi Balagot.
Okay, palakpakan po natin si Sir Rafi.
Our next performer was is here, courtesy of our Makati City Councilor, Tosca Camille Puno Ramos. So let's give her a round of applause for...
So for sure, ikilala niyo yung next performer natin.
Yeah, like he's really popular, and especially I know you know a lot of his songs, but do you know that he's also a green thumb?
Na-surprise kami ni RR na while he was waiting in dressing room, interview namin siya na parang, "Sir, do you do anything to, help the environment?" And our next performer is actually a really big lover of plants, and he has his own mango tree, cucumber, ganon.
Parang ang laki ng garden niya.
Oo nga, nung kinakanta niya, na-imagine ko lang parang hacienda.
Yeah.
Okay, so pakilala na natin.
Okay, without further ado, let's all welcome Mr. Renz Verano.